Enzo, you cannot have mommy's snacks. Enzo. Mommy does not have to share her snacks with you. Can I help you? They're mommy's. Every time mommy's got a snack, Enzo thinks he's got to have some. Mommy say, no, sir. Puppies do not need mommy's snacks. They're mommy's snack. It's not yours, Enzo. Oh, are you telling your dad I won't give you a puppy snack?
Oh.
You don't need a gummy.
No gummies, big dummy.
Or your mommy's favorite. There.
Hey, where's Gat?
Your face is pretty cute though.